it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video we are going to make Christmas wreath ornaments. I'm so excited. These would make great little teacher gifts or neighbor gifts or something you just add to dress up a present and you get a bonus ornament. And it's a great way to use up any extra greenery you may have left over from making Christmas wreaths. And I have a ton of random stuff, and so I'm so excited to get into this and use them to make these mini Christmas wreaths. If you are excited, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And let's go over the materials. The first thing you're going to need is a pack of mini grapevine wreaths. I either got this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I can't remember, but they both have the same thing. And this was a pack of 7. I don't know if I'll be using all 7 in this video, but I will be using these for sure. The next thing you're going to need are some red berries. I've got 3 different kinds here. These were left over from something, and then I have lots of these and lots of these. We'll see which ones we end up using, probably all of them for different wreaths. And then I have an assortment of greenery. I have this sparkly mistletoe stuff, some evergreens, sparkly evergreens with some holly, and then more of a neutral evergreen that will be cute. So I also have some little velvet ribbon. How cute is this? This is 3/8 inch. And I got it at Michael's, $2.99. It's half off. And I just love the velvet. It's so pretty. And we're going to use that to make a bow. We're also going to need wire cutters, scissors, hot glue, and a hot glue gun. And some jute twine for our hangers. So for our first wreath, we're just going to pick out some greenery that we're going to use as our base and go from there. And I love using the grapevine because it has lots of places to put your evergreen. And it's so small. I'm not even going to use this whole branch. I'm going to use pieces taken off. And I'm basically doing the same thing I would do for a larger wreath, and I'm just doing it on a much, much smaller scale. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so cute. So I'm just gluing it right there and sticking it in along the grain of the grapevine. How cute. And I fan it out just a little bit. So cute. And I'm just going to do this all the way around until it's filled. If the bottom is too thick, you can always cut off some pieces and leave it at an angle so you have more of a piece to stick in there. Since we are working with a tiny little grapevine, we need tiny little stems to put in. This is already looking so cute! How cute is this? I love it. Alright, now that we have our little evergreen thing finished, how cute is this? And look, even the back is cute. Oh, I love this. So fun. Okay, now I'm going to add these berries. I think I'm going to do these. So they come like this. I cut this off, and then I'll cut that in half. So we have these little berry clusters going in. So cute. This is turning out so adorable. Oh. And these tiny little stems are so easy to put into the grapevine, which makes this really nice. So cute! And now we can add a bow. This is so cute. I love it. So to make our bow, I'm just going to tie a normal bow, making sure the velvet is on the outside of all of it, which if you have a kind of ribbon that isn't one-sided, you don't have to worry about that, and this will be even easier. So I'm just making a bow. I want to make sure it's a good size for this wreath. That is cute. Okay, and then I'm just gonna cut my bow at an angle. How cute is this? And then if you want, you can just glue it to the top or the bottom. I'm gonna do the top. I think I'm going to add some floral wire because this wreath is pretty fluffy. I mean, it's a good amount of fluff. And this is the perfect size for an ornament. I love it. So I am just sticking some floral wire through the back of the bow so I can tie it around the wreath and it'll look really cute. I'm so excited about this. You don't have to do it tight or anything, just enough so that the bow is sticking out well. So I have the bow around here and I'm going to leave it a little bit loose. I'm not going to tie it super tight to the grapevine. And then I'm going to tuck in the wire. I'll cut it off and tuck it in. Okay, and now we're going to get some jute twine. Here's our twine. And I'm just going to make a little loop around the back. And I actually found that it was easier to put the jute twine right underneath where the wire is for our bow. And the nice thing about doing it that way is it lines up. So the bow hangs on the top. So I've got my jute twine and then I just make a little loop just like that. How cute! So there's our first one. I might just trim these just so they're not hanging below the wreath, although that's really cute. I love it. There's one ornament. Okay, now the next ornament, we're gonna switch it up and use some different greenery. Okay, this one's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna use these berries all around the wreath. And we're going to intermingle them so it looks thicker. And I think this wreath will be a little faster than the last one because these just stick in so well to the grapevine. Just glue in the ones that fell off. So cute. And now, since it's not perfectly round, I'm going to take some of this and make sure I fill in the gaps. And this is really easy because they just have these tiny little stems. And we just poke it through wherever they're needed. That's so cute, all on its own. Might as well finish with some more berries because I have 2 more. Okay, so now I have the berry base. And you know what? You can just use this as an ornament all on its own. That would be really cute. I actually love that idea. But I'm going to add in some greenery into the little spaces. Trying to decide if I should do little pieces. I do. I like the just a little piece of greenery. Just right in the middle there. It looks super cute. Kind of filling in around the edges right now, and then I'll go back and fill in some middle pieces like I did here. See what it looks like with a jute bow. So this wreath would be super cute if you just stopped at the red berries, But I think this is actually pretty darn cute too. I love that. And I'm thinking of adding a bow out of the jute twine because this is a little bit of that, a different color. I'm gonna add the bow to the top because I think that would be super cute. So to do that, you just tie it in a knot and then make your bow. Easy peasy. Aww. That is adorable. Oh, it's cute. I love it. This is super cute. Oh my goodness. Very different from the other one. All right, let's do one more. And this one's gonna have lots of texture and sparkle. Just like how I would normally make a full-size wreath, I like to add layers, if you haven't noticed that already. So I'm gonna start with just a regular evergreen layer, and then I will go on to add in some other things. Actually, I think just a little holly wreath would be cute. So many options. There's so many I want to do. Okay, I'm gonna add in the holly first because I definitely want holly. The stems are not very strong on this, so I will, if it doesn't go in by itself, I'll put glue on it and then I will push it into the grapevine with my thumb. Like that. Okay, so there's that layer. So I'm adding this greenery in between all the holly. Put these in. Red berries. If you know me, you know I am a sucker for red berries for Christmas. Just needs a few filler pieces to round it out. And I need to cover up the glue. As you can see the glue in a few places. Ooh, that's looking so much better. I'm so glad. This is like the best filler. I love this. Just a few more pieces. Looking so cute. I love it. Cute. I'm so excited. Okay, this one definitely needs a bow and it needs a string to hang on. So for this, I'm going to wrap a wire around. I'm going to wrap a wire around the wreaths just so I have a nice place to hang the ribbon, because we want the ribbon to go this way and it's wide. So there's that. And let me cut this wire. And I tuck the wire into the back of the grapevine like that. And so now I have a beautiful red hanger as soon as I tie it in a knot. So here's that. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm going to just glue this bow right to the wreath. Have a nice spot for it right here. That is gorgeous. And here is the last one. There it is. Okay, I want to know which wreath was your favorite. Here we have that classic first one. I love this. So cute. This might be my favorite. I don't know. And then the second is more of the farmhouse Christmas wreath with the jute bow. This is cute. I was nervous about it, but I love it. So there's the second one. And then the third one. Yay! I love them. They're so cute. These will make the cutest little teacher gifts. I'm so excited. Also, if you want to use them on a sign even that says joy or Noel or something like that, this would be the cutest O, or on a welcome sign. So cute. Anyway, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And maybe share this video with a friend or someone you would love to make wreath ornaments with. How fun would that be? Use up your extra wreath supplies that you have for Christmas and make these gorgeous wreath ornaments. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.